Okay, today I'm going to introduce you to my little birdies. I'm still training them, but this is okay. They're afraid because they're like new, but they don't really know me. Oh God. So this one is always afraid. That's lime, and this is lemon. So I carefully push up their chest, like that, carefully, and then they're gonna be on me. And then I take them to the treat so they could eat it. Oh man. So I'm going to try it. Shut up. Never mind. So let's try it. Take it right here. There you go. She loves to go on me, but sometimes she gets afraid. So that's why every time when I train with her, I give her a treat. First I wave it to her. I put it on my hand so she could go on my hand. So yeah, I don't know if you can see, but she's eating. Okay, I always put her right here. She's sorry. This is all the seeds that they've been throwing around. So I carefully do it. Perfect. And then they get to play around. They love this little bell because I always demonstrate to them how to work it. So look, come on, get them. After they do that, they always go inside it. Like they always twist their head and then just go inside it. So yeah. So I'm gonna tell them about you. I got them for my birthday, which is June the 15th. So this is this is lime because she's green. She has a lot of anxiety. She can barely trust me, but I will still work with her. And then this is lemon. She is always so kind, caring. So yeah, and she could kind of trust me, but I'm still working with her. And they always have fights. I'll update you when they're going to sleep.